So in other words, yeah, the most of the world is full of manipulation most people don't even recognize. But if you're dealing with a situation where the manipulation at utmost is actually a positive type designed to uplift and inspire, if there's any happening at all, right? If it's a situation like that where there's little to no manipulation and the manipulation that exists is positive, even if it's happening, that situation means things go smoothly. Relationships last, relationships continue. This is why my relationships have been so good throughout my life because I've never manipulated people in a negative way, and others tend to not manipulate me in a negative way, the ones that stay close to me. And I pinpoint the ones who try to negatively manipulate and they sift them, I sift them out of my life, right? So basically what happens is dynamics go smooth, relations go smooth, and they last if manipulation of a negative type is not occurring. Okay. Now, this is why my life's been so good because I've always sifted out the actual negative manipulators from the good quality people who, if they're manipulating at all, it's positively intentioned. It's not negatively intentioned. So, um, or we could throw out the word manipulation if we're going to talk about the positives, if you want, if you only associate that word with negatives. But either way, the point I'm trying to get at is we have all these problems in society, people being mass depressed, having all these issues, people backbiting, backstabbing, cheating, etc., because people are always fucking manipulating each other and they know it, and but nobody's willing to admit it to the degree that they are. So everybody knows others are not willing to admit it. Everybody knows they're not willing to admit it to themselves how much they're manipulating others. And because everybody's dishonest and hypocritical everywhere and everybody else knows it, everybody's depressed about that. So people know they're being cheated on, they know they're being screwed over, they know they're being lied to, they know they're being manipulated, talked about behind their back. That's why people are depressed. It's because